Hi everyone, this is Sherry from Sherry's Kitchen, from my kitchen to yours, and we are on the last phase of our growing the black oil sunflower microgreens. And look what we have here. Aren't they beautiful? And this is after 9 days. Sometimes they take a little bit longer, but I think because we've had some warm days, they're growing a lot faster. But I want to show you something. These were all coated with these black hulls. I don't know if you can see those hulls on there. And they come off very easily. And sometimes by just brushing them, as you can see, some of them pop off. So now I don't see these hulls. Yes, you don't want to eat those. Those will be a hard crunch in your mouth. Okay, so you want to get the hulls off, but that's one way. Okay, and so as you can see, most of them are not like that. But when I harvest them, I don't wash them to get the excess hulls off, because when you wet them, they go bad faster. They will rot. Okay, so I have two ways that I can do. If I was to harvest this whole pan, I would use a knife. The reason I would use a knife is because a knife slices, whereas scissors snip, and they take the stem and they squish it, and that causes them to die faster. But because I'm going to let these continue to grow, and I'm going to harvest them as I need them, I find they stay fresher longer. So I'm just going to harvest a few for you to show you how that's done. So if I was going to harvest the whole batch here, I would use a container to store them in, and I'd put them in the refrigerator after they're all harvested. So now I'm going to use a scissors, because these few that I'm going to harvest are going to be for quick use. Okay? And so if we can come a little closer, and you can see how I do this. I take a few bunch. Can you see that? Okay, I take a few into my hands and go as close to the soil as possible. You don't want to have the soil mix in, then you gotta actually try to clean them again with put the dirt on them. I take those few and I fluff them up and let them go into my bowl here. Again, we're gonna take a few, cut them, and we're going to let those fluff. And this also helps to get those excess hulls off of them. As you can see, they're falling off as I cut. Now, before I place them in a salad, I kind of shake them and I lay them out to see if there's any hulls left in them before I put them in my salad, because I don't want to crunch on them. I have done that, and it's not the best experience to have, okay? And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue to let these grow, harvest as I need, and put them on my soil. So remember, long harvest, knife. Short need, you can use scissors, because you're going to eat those right away. Okay? Well, I hope that this video has helped you to want to start doing your microgreens, because microgreens are very nutritious. They're good for boosting, helping to boost your immune system. And so I hope that you will start trying to live healthy, and then we don't have to fear what comes our way, because God has promised us, I wish above all things that thou mayest prosper and be in good health. And so I pray that you will take this information, use it. So subscribe, like, and any other videos we have, if you subscribe, they'll pop up and you'll know that we have something else to look at. Okay, so below you subscribe, and any questions you can write them out. And I hope you enjoyed this, and you can share it with others, and I hope you have good health. Bye-bye.